Hello everybody. Let's make a cinnamon roll peach cobbler. We're gonna make a dessert today. So I've already opened this up because I had to see what these peaches are looking like. So these are frozen, but I let them thaw out overnight in the refrigerator. And now I'm gonna also use, those are unsweetened sliced peaches. And I'm also gonna use peach pie filling along with my cinnamon rolls. And we're gonna use some heavy whipping cream. And I'm just gonna use some allspice, cinnamon, and vanilla flavoring for these frozen peaches. I'm gonna put them on the stove over here and infuse a little bit of that flavor in there so they can get that homemade taste, you know how we do. But I don't feel like any of it needs any sugar added. And plus, you're gonna use the cream topping on it. So yeah. If I were you, I probably would not add any more sugar to this. I think it's gonna be sugar overload. And I got 2 cans of these, but I may not use both cans. I will see once I get it laid out in this pan right here. Just gonna use a tin pan. Once I get it laid out in that pan, I will see if I need 2 cans of cinnamon rolls or not. I don't know, as big as that pan is, I'm thinking I'm gonna need 2 already. Oh, I got y'all off of me. Sorry. Okay. Let me go ahead and get that other one out just in case. But I'm pretty sure with the size of that pan, I probably don't have enough peaches either. But oh well. We'll make do. We'll make do. I may have to get another can when I go back to work here in just a little bit. So I'm gonna cut the biscuits or cinnamon rolls into 4s. Just like that. Just into like little bite-sized pieces. It's going to all come back together in the end anyway to make your bottom crust for this. I'm just gonna throw them over in there right now. I'll arrange them in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you when I get all this cut up and then I get my peaches going. Okay, so I got my cinnamon rolls cut and all laid out into that pan. I still feel like that pan is a little bit big, but we're gonna make it work. I definitely need some more peaches. I may have to add a can of the regular peaches back there. I don't want to, but I may have to. I don't know, we'll see. Okay. That's my allspice, cinnamon, and vanilla. I'm just gonna pour it in. Now that I look at it, I think we got enough peaches. Okay, so we're gonna put our heavy cream in, but I'm not using a lot of that. I'm just gonna use a little, because probably the idea is for this to be kind of like a bread pudding texture, but I'm not with that bread pudding. I don't eat bread pudding because of the fact that it's kind of mushy, soggy. I don't like that. Okay, so I probably better stop right there, or I'm gonna end up with soggy, and I don't want that. Okay. Y'all didn't see that. I knocked it right out of my own hand. Okay, they did not put butter, but I'm gonna put butter. And my thought process is, if this comes out a little drier than I want it to be, I got a plan for that. But I don't know. We'll see. I was thinking once those peaches thawed out, being frozen, they would be a little bit juicier. But I'm seeing that they're not. So we'll see what happens here. I never made this before, so we're all in this together. I know one thing, it can't be no dry peach cobbler, so I'm skeptical at this point. Although I wanted as fresh of peaches as possible, so I chose frozen, but I'm beginning to think canned would have been better because I would have had the juice, but we'll see. Okay. Okay, so into the oven until golden brown, and then we'll be back.